Well, what's going on today, YouTube? Look what we got in the mail. Get the 6AL box. Now, just real quick, let me show you something. This is the box it came in. This huge ass box for the MSD. So that's where they shipped it. Anyway, so hopefully I can get Betty going today. I can get this. I think I might put it in a different spot than where I had it. So I'm gonna have to figure out where exactly I want to put this box now. But the good thing is about these 6ALs is they do come with. We'll just keep talking here and I'll mess with that. But anyway, let's get this thing opened up. See, now I thought it would be cool with my other one to cut the plugs off it for whatever reason, because I guess I'm stupid. But the MSD box comes with the box and all these nice little plugs. Now I cut mine off on my other box, which was a mistake, because there's this nice wiring harness that goes with it, and everything just plugs right in. But I thought it'd be neat not to have all those plugs and stuff and hook it up a different way. And it comes with all this mounting stuff and all these other things. We won't be using that. And I do have another plug here. Now the only thing I don't like about this MSD 6AL box is they're still using this old connector type. I don't know why they haven't changed over to a USB type on this. They did it on the Sniper. It's all the same company now. MSD, Holly, and all those are all the same company. So why are they still using this old cable, this old technology? I don't know. But anyway, we'll get in here and we'll get this put in. I'll figure out where I want to stick it. And we'll go from there. So we'll be back. How's it going, YouTube? We're back. Okay, so as you can see, he's running again. Not like champ. Still cold. He hasn't warmed up yet. But yeah. Just need to put the new box in. I know this wiring is horrible, but I moved the box to there from over on the other side. I think what actually happened to is where I had it sitting, I think water got into the COM port, fried it. I think that's what happened because it had rained the day before. So anyway, Betty's running. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. Red will be running here very, very soon.